Hey guys, this is Mike from LA1 here. I hope you guys are having a great 4th of July. Whoa! Yep, it's fireworks time, and yeah, that one was so loud, it activated car alarm. As I just wrapped up uploading the episode 13 of my Phoenix Wright player, and yet, as you can see, the car alarm is still going off.
Feature from the world's worst blue screen effect.
Sorry, I was watching the Nostalgia Critic of Batman and Robin with a bad credit card. Oh, jeez. Okay, so right now I think the fireworks are nearly over because that one was the big one. Nope. Here we go. We're still continuing. Nope, still going on. Here we go. Here we go. Starting to get better. Oh, you can see some over in the distance over there. Oh, you can see some in the window over there, too.
Cover reveals a stunning secret about Alfred.
I was hiding the pain all the time. Alfred's sick.
Oh.
Oh, crap. There's more fireworks. There we go. Here we go. Here's some firework action for you. Sorry about taking it so long, but we're finally getting into some fireworks here. Okay, are you serious? When's the next one coming? Seriously? There we go. There we go.
Alfred is sick. Alfred is...
Okay, so next. Seriously, when's the next one coming? There we go. See, there's a little one over there, which you barely saw, and there's some more going on over there. Look out, audience participation. Wait, I think that was one over there. Yep, whistling fireworks.
Sick? I mean, do we really have to concern ourselves with the butler in this movie?
How'd they get away?
How dare you didn't stop them? It's not like this is a job for the police. How dare you didn't stop them? As Ivy returns, she tells Freeze that Batman killed his wife. So Freeze vows to take vengeance on society. Sheesh, all that's missing is for Freeze to shout out first Gotham, then the world.
First Gotham. And then the world!
Oh, I missed. Sorry, Nostalgia Critic. Oh, man, missing fireworks. Here we go, here we go. Okay, very nice. So, okay, anyone up to beat that? Really? Nothing's gonna try and beat that. I could use an overused internet meme. Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to get good. There we go. Look out. Jeez. Nothing's going wrong here in the neighborhood. There we go, we're now hearing some fireworks. Okay, we're still hearing some fireworks here.
I hate this. Look at that. That's so lame. This is idiotic.
The fireworks are not idiotic, critic. There we go. As soon as I said idiotic, the fireworks start going off again. And right now, things are getting tighter, and here we go, we're starting to get the firework action here.
I really hate this. This is so stupid. I wish I could kill myself. Wow, that's horrible. Oh my god, I can't believe how bad this is.
God, this is killing me. Yes, the lights are off here in my private office, except for this. And whoa! Oh, here we go. Firework action. Wait, he made it lit. Ooh, whoa! Look out! There's the fireworks over there in the distance. It's almost 10 at night when I'm recording this. So you guys won't be seeing this till later this afternoon, early in the morning if you're on the Pacific.
I wish I could kill myself.
So while Freeze tries freezing the world, Ivy tries to seduce the dynamic duo. And here's something you never thought you'd see in this movie. A man kissing a woman. No, Robin, no, you're just confused. But rubber lips sink ships as Batman and Robin put their feud behind them and are ready to kick some green thumbs. Meanwhile, Barbara finds out what anyone with a brain cell could, that Bruce and Dick are Batman and Robin. And you gotta love her expression when she finds it out.
I love the critics reaction here. Gotta love it. Oh man. Alright, so I think this should just about do it for the 4th of July episode. And here we go. Time to get some action here. Or not. So, alright, I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. And see you guys tomorrow for NFL Thursdays. Later.